Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make hummus in a blender, only way. Start by draining chickpeas and adding them to the blender with tahini, lemon, garlic, and salt. Blend on high, pausing to scrape down the sides, then stream in olive oil and a splash of water to reach your desired creaminess. Taste and adjust lemon or salt, then serve with a drizzle of oil and paprika. To get velvety hummus, pulse first to break down the chickpeas, then blend continuously while watching texture. Keep the blades engaged and scrape the walls often to reincorporate any unmixed bits. If the hummus seems stiff, add a tablespoon of ice-cold water or olive oil at a time until smooth. Taste as you go, adjusting lemon, salt, or garlic to match your preference for brightness and seasoning. Experimenting with flavors is simple and fun once your base is creamy and balanced. For smoky notes, blend in roasted peppers or smoked paprika, and for fresh herb flavor, add a generous cup of parsley or cilantro. Spice lovers can add jalapeno or harissa a little at a time until the heat is right. Serve different versions together for a tasting board and label each so friends know which is which.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.